Look who made it. Look who's outside. What it is? What's up, bro? How you doing? Chillin'? That boy got the locks. How you got the 5% on the 5%?
With the shades.
You can't even see right now. But what's up? Joey's actually here to detail the old beam ski because that car is disgusting, guys. So he's gonna do his little magic, hit him up. You guys, the mobile detailing. I haven't seen this car clean like this since I got it off the lot. Joey is going insane. He's going in right now. I got some little rock chip, guys. I've had that there since I had the car, and it's not drastically, I'm sorry, minorly getting bigger and bigger over the years, but it's not really too big so far. But it was really small. You know, that's what I told myself. I was like, I don't care. I'm gonna get a carbon hood eventually. I never did.
Match the mirrors.
It would, but nah, I think I'm good on this car, bro. If anything, I want to do an LSD on it, so I can do burnouts.
Twin turbo out of the hood.
Twin turbo out the hood would be crazy. But nah, we built on the RX-7 for that type of content. I want to build the RX-7 for the crazy content. You know what I'm saying? Guys, Joey freaking killed the detail on the beam. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below, but it looks freaking good. He's actually drawing it up, finishing up right now, and then we're gonna hit the road. Hit the road. Peace out. All right, guys. We actually just finished detailing, well, I didn't finish detailing. Joey finished detailing my car. It looks really, really nice. I really like it. Definitely gonna get him to detail it again once this sucker gets dirty. My thing is, like, I detail this car once a year, to be honest with you. Like, this car goes through the ringer with me. If you follow me on Instagram, you guys know, like, I beat this car. That's why, like, nobody can tell me anything about the M55, because the amount of, like, stuff I've done with this car is kind of insane, and it actually, like, handles all the abuse I throw at it. So I'm really proud of this car, honestly, with where it's at, and I think I'm gonna keep it like this. I'm gonna keep it just full bolt-ons with a custom tune on it. It's pushing 400 horsepower. I honestly don't want anything more because it's just a fun, reliable car that I can drive. If I make more power with it, I know it's gonna be annoying. It's gonna be a lot more money, and on top of that, I'm gonna be scared to break it. And where this car's at right now, I'm not scared to break it. I know that I can put the pedal to the metal and just beat on it. You know what I'm saying? And still have fun on the streets of Mexico. But we're actually on the way home right now. Change, shower up, and we'll see what's up. We'll see what's up. I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. What is up, guys? And we're back. We're actually in a big old Mama Whiskey, Mama Lona. You already know. I haven't actually made a video on this truck in a minute, but I still use it for hauling. This is my main truck that I use for hauling. Apart from that, we did have a little issue with it this morning. I had to be here in Concord, at the Copart in Concord at 11 o'clock. It is currently 1:30. I just got here, like literally I just hopped out the truck. I needed batteries, guys. This truck was giving me issues on starting. It didn't want to start. I think I jumped it off the last time I used it, and it worked out. It worked out for a little bit, but it ended up not wanting to start today, and I tried to jump it and it wasn't starting. The batteries were fried. Like, it started smoking when I put the jumper cables on it, so it was done up. It was time for new batteries. So let me show you guys exactly what kind of batteries I got. I actually went ahead and got some die-hard batteries from Advanced Auto Parts. Shout out to Todd. He is my guy at Advanced Auto Parts. He gave me a deal on these 2 batteries. And I'm super stoked on it. Not stoked that I had to go ahead and buy 2 batteries for it, but the problem with it is fixed, so I'm super happy about that. I'm not gonna have to keep jumping this truck off. I literally lost so much time this morning. I was working on it from like 8 in the morning to like 11:30, I would say, because it wasn't starting. And then I was like, all right, whatever, I'm gonna just go ahead and buy some batteries because this sucker's not starting and it needs it. But apart from that, we made it to Copart in Concord, North Carolina. I gotta pick up 2 vehicles here. I'm pretty sure I'm picking up a truck and a car or SUV. I gotta look at the form. But yeah, we're gonna get those loaded up, and then as soon as they bring those vehicles out, we're gonna head up on the road because I gotta go drop both of those off, and then after that we gotta go pick up another 2 at Copart in Gastonia, North Carolina. So we're on a little time crunch because of everything that happened this morning. I was gonna have a lot more time, but now we're running around on a super tight crunch. And I really hope that they take these cars out here pretty soon because I need to get on the road. I need to get on the road, guys. It's super hot outside today too. All right, looks like we're making progress. We got this first truck loaded up. Super stoked. This sucker got crushed, huh? I don't know what's going on, but I think he's bringing that second one right now. Damn. It looks like it caught on fire as well. Something happened to it. Holy crap. We got this sucker on here. We looking good. They both got front end damage. But we'll be alright. We'll make it. I don't know what happened to this wheel. Fofos, I'm sipping. What's that one song? Sitting sideways, causing the days. That's what this reminds me of. But everything else looks fine. So I'm gonna go ahead and strap all this stuff up. I think I just gotta strap the wheels. Nothing looks like it's gonna fly out except that. I gotta figure that out. Apart from that, we look good. We look like we're making good time. I have an appointment in Gastonia at 4. So we gotta go drop these off and then pick another 2 up. So we good. You guys can tell, but I am super hot right now. I'm sweating. I got the AC on full blast. And it's working a little bit. It's doing its thing. This truck got good AC, but when it's hot outside, man, there ain't much you can do about it, really. Way out of here. Guys, let me know what you guys think about these videos. I'm gonna make more like vlog videos, like just put in my everyday into the work day, you know, type videos. And I really like it. I really like editing those type of videos. But I want to know if that's something you guys want to keep watching. Am I doing a good job for you guys? Like, let me know. Give me some feedback. Alright, so we're actually 5 minutes away from the drop-off location. It looks like we're making pretty good time. It's only 3 o'clock. The good thing is that we're actually dropping these off in Gastonia. So the Gastonia Copart is not that far. I think it's like 15 minutes away from here. So I'm gonna go ahead and drop these off right now. And then we're gonna head over to the Gastonia Copart and pick those other 2 up. So we're gonna be, we're not on a time crunch as I thought. So we're good. We're gonna be just fine. So let's go ahead and drop these off and hit the road. I got one of the vehicles loaded up. We're currently at Gastonia Copart, as you guys can see. I don't know if you guys can see that. We're at Gastonia Copart. I'm picking this other Ram 1500 up, and then we are picking another little SUV up that I'm gonna put right here. As you guys can see, these cars are they all have front end damage. Damn, these tires are good. Sucks to be the person that crashed. It looks like he just put tires on the front end of this car. I mean, this truck. Yeah, these rear ones are shot. Needed to be replaced. But apart from that, good for parts, I guess. It's going to a junkyard anyways. We're waiting for the second car right now, and then we can get on the road. It's currently at like 4:30, and we need to. The place I'm dropping off at closes at 5, but we're only like 15 minutes away, so I'm not too worried. But we gotta get on the road.
What's good, y'all? How y'all doing? We back on another episode of Building Johnny Car.
For real, bro. I think Johnny Car's been on the channel a handful of times. Couple times. It's actually coming back with a new color, guys. I was actually not gonna go ahead and record it because it was kind of a secret. But he was telling me that he's gonna go ahead and reveal it tomorrow. By the time you guys watch this video, it's already gonna be revealed. So no rush with that. And then we got Ashton's whip. What's up, bro? Say what's up to the vlog.
What's up?
How you doing, bro? Chilling?
Yes, sir.
Hey, check his whip out. Look at this sucker. And the crazy part is, he's done every single thing to this car himself. Like, this car is pristinely built, honestly. A beaner, imagine. He's the whitest beaner I know. Nah, honestly, bro, if there's a car that's built by one person, it's his car. For sure. That's crazy, bro. Oh, you're on air, right? I forgot you went on air. You were static for a while, huh?
I don't know about static, but
You wasn't all the way static, but you was low. You was low.
He was mid.
He was mid, exactly. Like he was how I am right now, bro. Like, I'm not slammed, but I'm comfortable. You know what I'm saying? But anyways, let me know what you guys think about the new color in the comment section below. I think it's really nice. It's actually like a very white pearl color. I don't know if the camera does justice, honestly.
No, don't feel the stockies. Don't feel the stockies. Don't feel that wheel.
It got a BBL gone wrong right now, bro. Nah, but he did get some wheels. You wanna put the wheels on the vlog?
Wheels on that car. That's what's crazy.
That's true. That's true. These are his old wheels.
He believe bro, I fucking got these right, and then he gets to see him. He's like, bro, you know, where you trying to train? No.
Yo. Hey, bro, them will go hard on the BRZ too.
He can make another one.
Bro, this that
Paradox and Rapper?
yeah. What is that he be building like the Porsches? You know what I'm talking about?
No.
Yeah, he's got.
It's not Paradox.
What are you talking about, TJ Hunt?
No. He's not. They're not
There's
YouTubers,
a guy,
bro. It's just like an
It
old.
looks bummy. It's an
Yeah.
Asian guy, and he be just sitting on his ass and like on
He's like-
RWB?
Yeah. He be smoking like a
He be smoking a
cigarette,
cigarette, fucking building some cool ass.
bro. But his
fucking,
like builds are like, bro, like they're impeccable, bro.
crazy. Did I just hear something right here?